Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 鶏のバター醤油炒め. It's chicken and some vegetables, stir-fried with buttery soy sauce. Ingredients are so simple, very easy to make, but it's so rich and flavorful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 鶏のバター醤油炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, some vegetables. Today, I'm using 1 onion and 3 bell peppers, but you can use any vegetables you like. Make it colorful. 2 tablespoons each of butter, soy sauce, mirin and sake, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. You can of course grate fresh garlic. As always, let's do all the cutting first. Bell pepper, cut into half. Remove the seeds and the pith. And let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Same for the red one. Onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Into half and into thick slices. If you slice it this way, it's softer, and if you slice it this way, it's crunchier. Let's make it softer today. And chicken. I'm making it with the skin off, so let's remove it. Trim off all the fat. Cut it into half. Then shave. Same for the other one. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. And let's cook the chicken first. Chicken is almost cooked through, so let's add the vegetables. Once the vegetables are wilted, add all the seasonings other than butter. Sake, mirin, soy sauce, and garlic paste. Keep cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add butter and cook for a minute. Turn the heat off and it's done. Serve on the plate. Some black pepper if you like. And 鶏のバター醤油炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Chicken breast is sometimes too lean and dry, but with the buttery soy sauce, it's so rich and flavorful. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏のバター醤油炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is rich, so let's go light and healthy for the side dishes. How about garlic wakame for one of them and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!